You've sued your doctor and now you are in the middle of trial. Now it's time for lunch, and while you are out at lunch, one of the jurors walking by happens to see you, recognizes you, and now comes over to you and wants to tell you exactly what she thought about the last witness that you just had on the witness stand. Number one, can the juror do this? Number two, if this happens, what does the attorney have to do? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. And you should know, during a medical malpractice trial, the jurors are not sequestered. They're not kept hidden. They're told, okay, we're taking a lunch break. Be back here by 2 o'clock. So now they go out, they try and find a place to eat, and now they'll get back to court by 2 o'clock. There are instances where a juror may pass by one of the food places and see one of the attorneys in the case. Can they go up to them and start talking? The answer is no, they can't. The judge has given the jury specific instructions that they are not to talk to the attorneys, they're not to talk amongst themselves about this particular trial until the very end of the case, and they're not to talk to friends or family members or co-workers about the case either. So now if the juror disregards that instruction, that's a problem. And now if in fact they do come over and start talking to me, for example, and now start telling me what they thought of a particular witness, I have to stop them. I have to say, excuse me, I can't talk to you. The judge has given you specific instructions. I'm not allowed to talk to you. Once this occurs, I have an obligation when I get back into court to notify the judge about this incident. I have an obligation to notify my adversary about what happened. And now, the moment I say, listen, judge, I didn't say anything, the juror didn't say anything, they simply recognized me, came over and wanted to talk to me, but I told them, listen, I'm sorry, I cannot chat with you. The judge gave you specific instructions, so please return back to court. And if in fact that's what occurred, there should be no further issue. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these malpractice cases, in these accident cases, and even these wrongful death cases here in New York. You know, I recognize that you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.